Hello everyone. Today the topic which we are going to discuss today is fitting of an exponential curve. So in this topic we want to discuss about the regression curve which is of exponential form and which best the given data. So our exponential curve is of the form y is equals to a b raised to power x where a and b are constants. So consider this curve y is equals to a b raised to power x. Here it is b raised to power x. So apply log on both sides. You can see it becomes the log y is equals to log a plus log x raised to power b, that is x log b. So if I put the variable log y as another variable u, and here if I take the log a as a constant capital A and log b since it's a constant, so I am taking the name it as a capital B. So our this equation, this normal equation is converted into this equation that will become capital U is equals to A plus capital B into capital X. So this is a straight line in two variables x and u, and we know the normal equations corresponding to the straight line are summation u is equals to na plus b summation x, and our second normal equation is obtained when we multiply this equation by x and apply the summation on both sides. So our second normal equation will become summation xu is equals to a summation x plus b summation x square. So here, because we want to find the values of two constants a and b, so that with the help of a and b we can evaluate the value of small and small b, and we have the two equations in capital A and capital B, these two normal equations. So if I have these values of these summations, then we can easily find the values of a and b. So ultimately we will have the values of this exponential curve. So let's try to understand this topic with the help of a practice problem. So our example is fit an exponential curve of the form y is equals to a b raised to power x to the following data. So here our x series is 1, 2, 3 up to 8, and our y series is 1.0, 1.2, 1.8, 2.5, 3.6, 4.7, 6.6 and 9.1. So we want to find an exponential curve which best fits the given data. So we know that our exponential curve will be of form y is equals to a b raised to power x. So as we have discussed the previous derivation, taking log on both sides, log y is equals to log a plus x log b, consider it as capital U, consider it is as capital A, consider log b as capital B. So our this equation will become u is equals to a plus bx, and corresponding to this straight line, our normal equation are summation u is equals to na plus b summation x, and summation xu is equals to a summation x plus b summation x square. Then from the below table we can find these summation values. Actually we have given the values of x and y. So and our log y is capital U. So firstly we will evaluate the two columns x and u. X is given column, and with the help of the given column y we will find the values of the log y, that is capital U. So with the help of log table you can find what is the value of log 1, what is the value of log 1.2 and so on. So this will be our capital U. So we need the values of summation u and summation x. Also we want to find the values of summation x square and summation xu also. So firstly we will evaluate the two columns, that is xu into x square. So we know that our xu column is obtained by multiplying the corresponding entry of first two columns, and our last column is x square. So we are taking the square of each entry of x. So after evaluate these values of columns, we want to take the totals of each corresponding column. So our summation x is 36, summation y is 30.5, summation u, that is 3.7393, and summation xu is 22.7385, and last column summation x square is 204. So as we have all these values of the summation, firstly we will put the values of summation u and then summation x in first equation. So our first equation will become this equation, and in second equation we will put the values of summation xu, summation x and summation x square. So after putting the values, our second equation in a and b in this form. So we have the two equations in two unknown constants. So after evaluating, after solving, we can find these values of these unknown constant a and b. So our value of a is minus 0.1662 which can be written as 1 bar, means minus 1 plus 0.8338. So we know that our capital A is log of A. So our small log A value, that will be the anti-log of the capital A. So if I take the anti-log of this value, it will become the 0.6821. Similarly, our capital B value, that is log small b, that is 0.1408. So if I want to find the value of the small b, it will be anti-log of the capital B. So anti-log value of this value is 1.383. So we have the value of small and small b. So after putting these values in our given exponential curve, that is y is equals to ab raised to power x. So our solution curve, that is y, capital Y is 0.6821 into 1.38 raised to power x. So in this exponential curve, actually if I have the given data x and y, then we can easily evaluate the values of a and b. So I recommend all of you students to please practice the curvilinear regression for parabolic curve and exponential curve for both curves. If you face any problem to solve any type of question, please revert. Thank you.